We got a Honda running from the police. Look like the trooper picked the wrong Honda. And I'm kind of ready to see this because there's no way you let a Honda get away. But Hondas are not to be slept on. They good, reliable cars. Let's get straight into it, y'all. No more talking. Arkansas State Police, y'all know who's behind this one. Arkansas seem like they get the most chases. What we got here? Damn, the Honda just gone. He wasn't even speeding. Seemed like he wasn't really speeding though. He got behind him. He don't seem like he was really speeding past him. Oh yes, he kind of was. He not finna run. He's not finna run. I don't believe it. What we got? What we got? He ain't pulling over. Police got the light in the back trying to see who in there. Get right up on him and pit maneuvering. It'll be over with. Get right up on him. This would have been too easy. We finna end this right now. The Honda funny. If the Honda get away, I'm gonna be laughing, bro. Damn. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh, I didn't expect him to be driving like that. Get out the way. Get out the way. That goddamn Honda driving now. You see the police coming by. You see the lights. Get over. I know this Honda is not finna get away, bro. No way. Make a right. Them police cars be towed up by the time they done with them. I don't see the Honda no more. No way he let the Honda get away. The Honda is gone. That Honda definitely had a Hellcat swap engine. It's gone. He pissed.
On FanDuel Casino, every day is...
But people was in the way. Traffic was in the way. The Honda got away. That Honda just took off, though. And went down the ramp and was gone. Police was supposed to stay on the people in his way. The Honda got away, bro. I never seen a Honda get away. That is fucking crazy. It's all about the driver, y'all. It's really all about the driver. Imagine getting away in a Honda. Y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm coming back to back with reaction videos, y'all. We getting some good police chases. Y'all follow me into the next video for more police chases. Click that box above and let's get into it, y'all. Welcome to the SBK gang.